Hi guys, I just visited Brad Hafster Studio ISO, and I just wondered how would our plasma look if we changed our icons, the themes, and the wallpaper. Could we make something similar? So, yeah it is, right? Yeah it is. Layan is the theme he's using. So Layan KDE Git's probably the one we're gonna need. A flat design theme for KDE Plasma desktop. The other guys are not for KDE. So, just lucky guess. I don't know if I'm lucky. We'll see. First of all, it needs to be built always, right? This is not from us. This is from anybody out there in the world, and they maintain a package build. We need to build it. That's why it takes so long, and then boom, we got it. That's one thing I need. I believe it was the Tela icons, and there is so much. So again, I've just made videos about grub themes. Look at that, all these grub themes, Tela, 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 Tela. But it's about the Tela icon theme. So either it's this one or the Git version. So the very, very, very last version possible. That's supposed to be the Git version, which is not always the case. And there seems to be a circle icon theme as well. I don't know, right? Just choose one of them. 16. It is for me. And then I need a wallpaper. Wallpapers are very personal. Sometimes you hear people say, Eric, your choice is great, and other people are just saying, not for me, right? They don't say anything, but they just say, not for me. So it's all very personal, wanting to have a wallpaper. So I'm going to Brad's repository. I'm going to look for wallpapers. Wall. 4K Studio Wallpapers. I just installed Studio Wallpaper, so maybe I should take that one. So I have the Linux here, the pull GPG and so on. You just install it, get it, code, download zip. Do this automatically. Open it up. Right mouse click, extract here, extract. Here you are. And these guys, let's see which one I like the best. Feeling a little bit blue. Can we do a right mouse click? Set as desktop background. Ta-da! Oh, nice, awesome. Now we've set the wallpapers. We need to go for the themes and all that. So appearance, Layan is this one. What happened here? This one, apply. So that's that. And now the icons. Where are the icons? Icons have not been installed. Houston, we have a problem. All right. Oh, okay. Are you still busy, my friend? Oh my god, really? For icons? He's kind of installing all variations. This might be something you do not want on your system. So that's why VirtualBox is very interesting. First see what happens and then decide to have it on your machine. Yes or no. All right. Checking for packages issues. What is your issue, man? Edit panel. How could we move it again to the top? Was it dragging? There was a way to actually move it to the top somehow. I think I've moved my menu out of here. Oh, back in, you fool. Get back in there. Oh my god. I always look for that because I never do it, right? We just keep everything as is. It's good as is. It was somewhere more options. It was easier than I always think. It's always easier than I think. Left, always visible, more options. What was it again? Anyway, F12. Really? Still not ready. Then I have still time to figure it out. Edit panel, configure task manager. I would go for edit panel, screen height, screen edge. Oh, is that it? Oh, that's it. I always keep forgetting. The toll of getting old. Let's add a widget. Activities or something like that. Hard disk activity. Okay. Put you over here. And now F12. I think an oh my god is in order. I hope I get beautiful icons. Ubuntu Manjaro, red, purple, pink, green, blue, blue dark. Aha. And how much gigabyte will this cost me? Oh, 190 megabyte, that's okay. It's only the build process that is annoying. Because, yeah, we're used to speedy installations because we pre-built them and put them on repo. This is coming from the AUR. You build it yourself. Updating icon theme caches. I was doing that up there as well here. Cache file created successfully. Again. There you go. Ale. And then go away, F12. So we have here some icons we need to set. Let's have a look what it would look like. It would be amazing. Icons. Look at all these choices, right? Tela black. Now, with Plasma and icons and themes and all that, reboot is my best advice I can give you. Reboot, because sometimes it shows all the icons and say, whoa, awesome. And sometimes you see still the old icons of the previous theme. So I guess live with it and know this, and then you're fine. Let's do a, I'm looking at the colors of the files, folders I mean, right? Files, folders. Boah, they're all good, actually. Just not into brown or green. That's a personal choice. This is more Numix color, so an orange kind of color. And then we can go for a Super Shift Enter, and there you go. We have now orange folders. I was wondering the theme. Can we have a white theme? So now it's a black theme. Layan, Layan solid. What's that? Why am I getting all that thing always? Apply. I guess solid means not transparent, which is nice as well. Which is super nice as well. Voila, and in no time you have yourself a new look. What we've done is just an outer shell, right? Outer shell. Changed the outer shell. And it's still ArcoLinux. Alright guys, have fun. Cheers.